Hello, everybody. My name is Paloma Lev, and I teach women how to close high ticket sales. I recently asked the brilliant Brian King if he would do me a little favor and record a video for my students on an area that he is brilliant at teaching on, and that is the area of confidence for ADHD people who struggle with rejection sensitivity. That was one of the biggest challenges that a lot of my clients have gone through is loving themselves through rejection. And specifically, it can be painful for people with ADHD or on the spectrum. And so Brian did such a fabulous job of breaking this topic down, providing amazing tools, and more than anything, an emotional understanding, not just from a theoretical perspective, but from lived experience of what it is like to build confidence for a person with ADHD or some other neurospicy um, background. So, anyways, I just wanted to take a sec to say thank you so much, Brian. You are remarkable. You so eloquently express what so many people don't have the words to express. And in doing this work of helping people with ADHD love themselves more, become more confident, and develop the tools they need to succeed in life, you are helping so many people who are underrepresented, who are underserved. You are helping these people to function more successfully in their lives. And so I absolutely can't wait to share this video that he created with my clients. They absolutely need it. And so I would just say to my fellow coaches and experts, if you are thinking of bringing someone in who has the expertise necessary to help your clients who are neurospicy. Nobody understands it better than Brian. Um, he's generous, he's intelligent, he's eloquent, and he just has a ton of amazing tools in his toolkit that can help your clients. Or if you specifically are an entrepreneur or an expert or a human who struggles with managing their ADD, Brian understands it so well. He is such a go-to expert, and multiple people tagged him as the expert that I should go to provide this tool or this resource to my students. I watched the video he sent me. He did it fast and well. He's amazing, and he's a really kind, smart, loving, supportive human. If you're thinking of working with him, work with Brian. Have a good one. Bye, guys.